Alright, threading a Kenmore Rotary. This is the same thread path as white rotaries, Mason, Florence. There's a ton of rotary sewing machines from before World War II. There's a thread guide up top here. The tensioner has a hook on the front. You pull through the front and it goes around behind here. And then this machine rotates backwards, so the bar goes away from you. There's the take-up arm, and then it goes down through the needle bar guide, and this one does not have a little cut in it, so it actually needs to get threaded through the guide on the needle bar by the clamp. And then this machine threads from the outside in. There we go. So, this top guide around the hook backwards, and then so the thread crosses over through the loop and then down into the needle. Alright, winding a bobbin on the Kenmore Rotary. Again, very similar to all the other white and white inspired rotaries from before World War II. Bobbin winder on the side here, and then there's a bobbin winding spool pin, and the tensioner here, and then the bobbin winder. This one has a automatic winder, but it will also friction wind. The thread comes over the top and wraps around, and then the nut on the end loosens up so that the machine won't turn while the bobbin is winding. And the Kenmore rotaries turn away from you, so, and I forgot to plug this in before I started the video. Okay. The Kenmore Rotary bobbin case is true for all the white bobbin cases. There are two thread locations, and there's a bit of a trick to get this loaded. So the bobbin goes in the case so that it is unloading, and this is the back of the case. It's unloading counterclockwise. From the front, it unloads clockwise. Needs to go through this guide here, and then it comes around behind this spring area, and you kind of have to pop a loop of thread down around the hook here to get it under the tension spring, and then it goes under the hook and comes out under the tension spring. So it's got to come out here, under there, and then out the tension spring. And then there's a screw right there to adjust the bobbin tension.